Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and congratulations, you are the one lucky who find this video because in this video you're gonna getting the very valuable information about how to secure your Facebook profile or account by turning on the login alert notifications on your email. Like if an unauthorized person have get the information of your account and you want to access that account once you log in on another device, you will get a notification to your email which is connected to your Facebook profile. So you will have the access to block that person and get access to your account. So you will make sure that your account has been secured. So let's get started. And my name is Stock, and you're watching the Stockness Guy YouTube channel on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks, guys. So let's dive into it. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. And after that, just simply tap at the profile picture in the top right corner to come to the menu section. Once you come to that menu section, just simply tap at the gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, what you all have to do is just tap at privacy checkup. Just simply tap on it like that and tap at the second option, how to keep your account secure. Just simply tap on it like that and tap review. And that's where you first of all get an option of change password. You can tap at change password and change your password in order to keep your account secure. I will recommend you to change your password after every 3 to 4 months. Just simply tap at change password, give your current password and enter your new password. You will be done with changing your password. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna skipping this option. Just tap at skip, and here you'll have an option to turn on two-factor authentication onto your browser profile. I have already turned it on, so I get the option of manage. You will get a option turn on. Just simply tap at turn on. I'm gonna tapping on manage. Just simply tap on it like that. Here you have the multiple option, like you can connect it with an authentication app. You will receive a login code via an authentication app, or you can get recovery codes, or you can get a security key. Select the option which you like for your two-factor authentication on Facebook profile. I have just selected my phone number. I get a SMS onto my phone number. So what you all have to do is just simply done with it and tap next. And that's the very final step about turning on email login alerts. Just simply, I have already turned on. What you all have to do is your option will be toggled off like that. Just simply toggle on these options like that. And if your email is connected, it will auto sync it. If your email is not connected to your profile, just simply first connect your profile. And if you don't know how to connect it, comment me down below. I will catch you in the next video. And what you all have to do is just after that tap next. By turning on these options, you will get a notification whenever anyone have logged in your profile on their phone. You will get it on your email a notification. Just simply once you're done with all of it, tap at review another topic. So that's how you can easily turn on login alerts notification on your Facebook profile and keep your account secure. So I hope you like this video and this video helped you. So do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to check the latest video on our screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.